Hi, my name is Logan. I'm a senior at Florida State.
I'm Corey Coulson. I'm from England.
I am here in Cape Town doing a human rights internship.
I'm in South Africa doing an internship in human rights with a focus on law. I was just Googling, human rights internships. I was really panicking because all my friends had things already and I didn't. And then I thought, actually, South Africa, pretty perfect for human rights.
My name is Kelly Stone. I'm currently a policy development and research advisor. So I've been working closely with VAC and matching interns to some of the local NGOs and CBOs in the Cape Town area. It's a much more directed, focused internship. It's very substantive, real research.
Basically, you get placed in a program in a different organization that works on human rights, and at NICRO, I'm working on criminal record expungement.
Logan is working directly with the National Advocacy Manager there in developing a piece of research that's really looking at what are some of the limitations and the current process for expungement of criminal records for nonviolent offenders.
They work with offenders and youth who have gotten into minor trouble and help them divert from crime, or maybe like when the offender gets released, they help them find jobs.
I'm working at St. Anne's Shelter. Kelly has set me this task of creating a guide to protection orders, almost a manual that will be given out to the women and act as a guide for how they can gain legal protection from domestic abuse.
Corey's come in with a high level of enthusiasm, and I think that St. Anne's is going to be really happy with the final work product. Hopefully will really help some of the women who are there.
Kelly's been amazing. I can go to her whenever I want to. She helps me whenever I have issues or need help.
I wouldn't have ever done this had it not been for VAC in this kind of process.
VAC are basically my family here. They looked after me when I was having some issues, and then they're also just there for the good times because it's not all bad times. We have outings every week, every Friday afternoon, and we have the culture series on Monday evenings, which is really interesting. I love going to that.
Lots of cool activities so we can actually get out and explore the city, and then they're always there whenever you need them. They've just been really helpful in making sure that it's easy to be here. Really get to experience the city like a local. I take public transportation and I come into work the same hours that they do, and so it's been a very different trip than if I had just come by myself to be a tourist.
There is no better way to learn than to fully immerse yourself into the place. You never get the same experience, and you don't learn as much unless you actually come here and get involved. I think it's one of the best things I've ever done in my life, and I wholeheartedly recommend it.
It has been one of the coolest experiences of my life. I'm really glad I did this and thankful for the opportunity to be here.